Hi everyone, this week I continued with UI coding. The goal for this episode is to create a basic user flow between different screens. I started off with game selection screen. There is not much to do here, but I have a couple of small bits that are worth mentioning. Owls are blinking their eyes while waiting for a player selection, and for that I created game selection game item class, which is serializable, and thanks to that I can see fields from the class in Unity Inspector. I also specified two sprites for open and closed eyes, together with an image, reference for the owl, time between blinks, and start blinking time. The latter is used to shift the first blink to make the whole scene feel more natural. Every owl has their eyes closed for 0.2 seconds to simulate a blink. I'm using here a simple timer technique, setting a timer to a specified float time and then on every update subtracting time.delta time. When the timer reaches 0, it's time for an action. In addition, two first games have word pictures and names different for each category, so I'm assigning them randomly while creating the scene. For random pick from a list or array, I'm using Random.Range with range of 0 to size of the array. It's important to note that I'm not subtracting 1 from the end of the range, as in for loops for example, because range has inclusive from and exclusive to values. Later I worked on learning screen. This is the screen where player reviews all words in a category. They see an image representation, translation for double language version of the app, and they hear the pronunciation. There are also 5 stars, each representing progress in the respective game. And this is how it works.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 10 1
The last screen this week is avatar selection. It works in a similar way to topics. I'm iterating over all avatars, adding new item into grid layout. Each avatar can be purchased and 2 of them are unlocked by default. Others have price on them. If locked, there will be a pop-up prompting to spend diamonds on it. When selecting, unlocked avatar will be picked and content saved and updated to the server. I'll connect all the scenes in the next episode. Thanks for watching.